Something came in the mail from a brand that I'm not familiar with, but I'm willing to give them a chance. Let's see what they're about. What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. And today we got something special, something interesting, something I've been seeing online, but I haven't been a part of. Now, before we get into that, you already know, hit that subscribe button for me. It just helps my channel grow and it helps you see my videos first. All this content I'm pushing out, it's only for y'all. Now, I appreciate all the support I'm getting, so thank you. But it's a lot of people watching my videos and somebody ain't hitting subscribe. Let's grow. Let's grow together. I can't do it without y'all. Now let's get to it. Package. I got a package from Royal Clips. Now I keep seeing clips of their products online, but I haven't actually seen these in person and I don't know if they're good or not. I haven't actually watched a full video. All I see is a small clips. So I want to open up this box. This box got a little weight to it, so it's a little heavy, but I want to see what they're about. Let's check it out. All right, we got a box from Royal Clips. This is the Fade Kit. Now I like the all black aesthetic of this box. It's really dope. It's all plastic wrapped. A lot of these clipper brands don't even plastic wrap their boxes no more. So it's got the RCT2, which is the trimmer, obviously. The trimmer has a DLC blade, a built-in grip, 2-hour runtime. We got the RCFS2. If I had to guess, that's probably foil shaver because that is a shaver. It says double foil shaver, metal cap, and a close shave. And on the other side, we got the RCC2. So if I had to guess, RC means Royal Clips, C2 means clipper, and it's probably second generation. It's got a stainless steel blade, 7,000 RPM. I like 7,000. That's not bad at all. And an adjustable click lever. It also says it has a 3-hour runtime. We like that. We like those stats right there. Now let's get them up out the plastic. Okay. This is a sleeve. Okay, it come in a sleeve. I like that. I actually learned to appreciate a lot of this packaging and boxes from Cuts by Reggie. Cuts by Reggie used to talk about the packaging so much, and it's like, it's actually cool to see the designs of some of these clipper boxes. And just the effort, you know what I'm saying? You got to respect the effort of each one of these companies. Now, underneath the sleeve, the box is fire, of course. You know what I'm saying? But it goes all the way around. Now on the back, it tells you more about the trimmer, the clipper, and the shaver. Clipper has 3-hour runtime. It comes with 6 guards. The trimmer has a 2-hour runtime. That comes with, it looks like 3 guards. The shaver has a 2-hour runtime. And that's about it. So let's open this up. Okay, open like a book. Elite packaging, bro. It even smells brand new. It smells like when you open an iPad. Tough. Okay. Show your skills, put your best fade forward, and tag us on social media. Select winners will win free gifts. And they doing giveaways just for tagging them? That's their socials, so check them out. They got YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all that. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all follow them. So before I open this, look, this shows you the clippers on this side, the shaver and trimmer is on this side. You open this up. The presentation is everything. You see on this side, it's just got a bunch of information about the clipper. It tells you about the motor. For the motor, it tells you about the voltage. For the battery, it tells you what kind of battery, the charge time, operating time. For the adapter, it tells you the input, output. A lot of y'all love these kind of specs. So this is obviously a good thing. The fact that they went that extra mile is tough. So thank you, Royal Clips. Of course, we got this manual, we got the booklet, whatever you call it. Charging cord, not a USB-C. That's one thing I don't like. It's not a USB-C. It would be cool if it was USB-C, or at least you could detach the cord from the actual plug-in. Clipper brush, oil, guards, and it got their logo on it, so that's fire. Now with these guards, I noticed instead of it saying a half, it says A. And the 1.5 says B on it. Now these do look like wall guards, but I'm not sure what country these clippers are made in. But this is the first time I've seen A and B. The 1 has a 1 on it, the 2 has a 2 on it, the 3 has a 3 on it, and the 4 has a 4 on it. Maybe they just wanted to do something different. I'll give the guards a chance, but I do have the guards that I do like to use that are my favorite guards, and I know those guards well. I know that system, but I'll give them a chance. All right, now we got the clipper. This is the Royal Clips clipper. This does feel like a good clipper. It feels familiar, but it feels like a good clipper. Now we got the all black, this nice grip in the front. You got your Royal Clips up here at the top. I'm not sure if y'all can see that or not. The click lever is a little bit of a weird shape if you can see that, but it's not a bad click lever. It's decent. Yeah, I could definitely rock with this. I'm sure this is a battery indicator on the bottom where the light will be. And on the very bottom, this is where you plug in your charging cord. Now on the back, there's not really grip, but there are some grooves, and these are pretty cool grooves. And then down here, you just got texture, but the back of it is pretty slick. The front grip is pretty solid though. Now, as far as the blade goes, there's nothing on this blade. And out the box, it is pretty close. We may move that up just a little bit, but it's pretty close. So I'm gonna run it like this. Now let's see what else is in the box. Now on the other side, again, on the box right here, it tells you about the trimmer. It tells you about the shaver from motor, battery to the adapter. It tells you runtime, charge time, all that. Fire, great details. You got a bag. If I had to guess, the shaver goes in here, but this bag feel real nice. Feel like grandma's couch for real, you know what I'm saying? One of these is USB-C because you have a USB-C cord. If I had to guess, it's probably the shaver. And then one of these has the same charger as the clipper, I believe, but it has a USB plug for it. I'm not seeing a box in here right now for this to plug into, but it is USB. On the other side, it's the same kind of charging as the clipper, it seems like. You got trimmer guards, clipper brush. Right here, you got oil, and you got another small clipper brush right here. Now let's start with this trimmer, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I ain't even opened it yet. I like the size of this trimmer, for sure. This feels like a compact trimmer. Yes, it is just that. Look how big this trimmer is. It's small. You got the blade on the back here. But yeah, again, you got the nice grip. I'm sure this is a battery indicator, and you got a full metal body. Both of these are full metal body. Usually if a clipper's full metal body, we consider it premium. That's nice. That means I might be able to drop these and get away with it once or twice. After that, you know what I'm saying? I don't really like to drop my clippers and stuff, but I can if I want to. But yeah, you got your power switch on the side. You don't really got no grooves in the back. Again, you got texture on the bottom, just like the clipper, but right here, it's just a flat surface. Now the grip in the front, just like the clipper, is nice. It's definitely nice. And out the box, those come pretty close. I might put it a little closer depending on how they hit, but they seem to be pretty close. I might not even touch it at all. I'm gonna see how it hits out the box and go from there. Now, I don't like to turn my clippers on before I use them, but I turned this trimmer on. It's pretty quiet. And I tested it on the inside of my arm. It's not cutting or anything. And I can even push down a little and there's no issue. So these are pretty comfortable trimmers and they cutting. I usually go over my arm here a little bit just to see if they cutting, just to see if they pulling. They don't pull. I might like these a lot. Now, last but not least, we have a shaver, and this shaver is a little heavy. It's full metal body. You got your royal clips right here on the side. The logo is simple, it's dope, it's premium, it's aesthetic, it's not too much, and that's what I like about that. Now, I'm curious to know if there's a battery indicator on this. Let me pop the top off real quick. Okay, double foil shaver, and it has the middle shaver. So if I had to guess, that's the long shave or long shaver, whatever you call it. I don't know what you call this. I believe it's called the long cutter, but it has that on here. Now, when I press the button, I take the top off. There's two shaving blades. These are smaller shaving blades than we're used to. Not to say they can't get the job done. They're just a little smaller than we're used to. So I'm curious to know how that operates, how that works out, and how clean that shave is gonna be. Now let's turn it on. It sounds pretty strong. Okay, and at the bottom here, let me turn it back on. At the bottom here, you got a screen. The issue with that, when I'm using a shaver, I never look at the bottom for a screen. I know that for a fact because I have a shaver with the screen on the bottom like this, and I never looked at the bottom. But this definitely feels like a pretty good shaver. Now, we're gonna talk about these royal clips. Be ready for this one. This is gonna be interesting. Now, let's put it to work. All right, chat, now let's talk royal clips. We got a trimmer, clipper, and a shaver. Now I'm gonna start with the trimmer. This might be my favorite out of the three. I say that because these blades are great quality. They do match up with the bigger brands, and I'm gonna say it. This feels like a low pro clipper. This feels like a compact low pro trimmer. Now the trimmer blade did not get stuck in any pores. That's important when you're buying a trimmer. You don't want to cause irritation. You don't want to cause redness when you're cutting someone's hair, or even if you're cutting your own. I never zero gap this trimmer. It hit out the box. If you want to take it apart and everything and zero gap it, feel free to. I thought it was pretty good out the box. It worked well with bulk. It made some clean lines. The quality of the cutting blade and the steel blade were excellent. It just feels familiar. It feels like the bigger brands we're used to. So yes, I do think this is a good quality trimmer. I do like the grip on this a lot. To me, this is solid and it'll most likely stay on my station. Now, as far as the clipper, it got a little bit of crunch. I thought the click lever was cool. I think the best part of this clipper is the grip. It gives out some pretty good blends. I don't really have any complaints about this clipper if I'm being honest. I wish the clipper and trimmer had USB-C, but it's okay that it doesn't as well. And I know these are budget-friendly tools, but we need a dock with these. That's what we need. If you want a clipper to stay on your station, the easiest way is to just get a dock and have a dock for it. But I don't really have any complaints about these. I feel like they performed well. If you're gonna get them for home use, great. If you're gonna use them professionally, they will get the job done either way. As far as a shaver, it's pretty solid. I like that it has a cutter in the middle for the long hair, and all three of these are full metal body. The fact that it has a screen on the bottom when you turn it on is great. I don't know which way is up, but yeah, we got that screen on the bottom, and these tools aren't that loud. Here's the clipper. Here's a trimmer. And here's a shaver. Now the shaver is the loudest, of course, but these tools are not that loud at all. Now for the full set, the Fade Kit 2, you're getting a trimmer, clipper, and shaver all for $219.95. Now that's a great deal. I do feel like these tools will last a while. And honestly, that's the price of one clipper or one trimmer sometimes. So definitely take advantage of that. Now that's it for this video. If you try these tools, let me know what you think. If you plan to get them, leave a comment and let me know. Outside of that, make sure you like and subscribe. I go by the name of Cruze, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.